Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I haven't posted many videos on my channel because I was caught up with some work. But recently, I have faced an issue of random freezes on my laptop, and I have noticed this after the latest Windows update. I tried some workaround, using the SFC scan now command, but that didn't help because it couldn't find any corrupted components. So the only thing left was to format the laptop and do a fresh Windows start. But then I found out a command which really helped me to detect the corrupted image files, you can say, from the Windows 11 component store. And so after running those commands, it replaced all the corrupted files and downloaded the new files from the Windows servers. Commands are run successfully. My laptop is running really, really well without any random freezes. Now, this is what I would recommend to all of my viewers because we usually do Windows update once a week or whenever there is a latest update available. But we do not take out time to see if there are any corrupted components and that might be creating issues for laptop that was running as normal. So take a time, watch this video. It won't be that long. And if this video helps you and your laptop had some corrupted components, do drop a comment so even I would know whether is that the issue which I am facing on my laptop or is it like many people who are facing these issues. So let's start with the commands. So I have written four commands on the notepad and let's go through them one by one. Before running this command, make sure you're using your command prompt as an admin rights and you're connected to internet because after scanning your system, it will check the corrupted components and then if there are any, it will download from the Windows server and replace them. So in order to get those commands running successfully, you will need to have connection with internet. So you can see for check health, it didn't find any corrupted components. Let's run the ScanHealth command. What this command does is the deployment image servicing and management tool will run and verify any data corruption that may require fixing inside the local image. But since there are no corrupted components detected, it won't show any message. Otherwise, if your system has any corrupted files, it would definitely show um, there are some corrupted components in your system or corrupted components are detected. Next thing is when you run this command, the scan health one, it will take some time and check whether the Windows image needs some fixing or, since there were corrupted components, are there any files that needs to be replaced from the Windows servers? As you can see, even this command has run successfully and it says no component store corruption detected. If this is the same message you are getting displayed on your laptop or desktop, then you can stop running these commands. But let's say if this command also finds some corrupted components, then it's time to run the next command, which is the restore health one. So let's run that command. Now, this is a crucial command because this connects with you the Windows update and downloads file from the Windows servers. Make sure you're connected to the internet so that it will successfully download. Else, when you run this command, it would be stuck and it won't have any progress while downloading. You can see after running this command, you will see a message that says the restore operation completed successfully. What I would recommend is after doing all these commands, restart your laptop and then have a look whether it still behave the same if you had any issues or they are fixed. If this video has helped you, please drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Do like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.